Hey, I'm going to show you how to make eggless baking. Applesauce or crushed bananas is an easy replacement for eggs when you're baking cakes, pancakes, which we're making here. So you just buy these so you can use them single serve and they will stay in your refrigerator for many months. And I used one to make the batter for pancakes. And you don't have to worry about salmonella. I can lick it without having to worry about getting poisoned from raw eggs. So I mix some berries in with it. Frozen berries because they're not perishable. And we wash them off in a strainer to keep the pesticides off if they're not organic. And here we have it, you see. They come out nice and fluffy. So if you want to zoom in, look, nice and fluffy pancakes. With a lot of berries in them, because they're healthy. Again, a lot of berries in the batter. You can even put a little cinnamon in there and do a little salt bay. A little cinnamon into the batter. Cinnamon is very healthy for you. We also have bee-free honey made of apple preserves and agave nectar. Now you can always use syrup too. I choose not to use honey. I don't want bee vomit in my pancakes. And then vegan earth balance butter. So it's as simple as that. Now we also use eggs, tofu scramble as an egg replacer as well. So tofu scramble is a good egg replacer, as well as these vegan egg replacements. The reason why we don't like using eggs is because they're very cruel, and it's a female bird's period. Most birds live in tiny battery cages the size of a file drawer or a piece of paper per bird, and that's their whole life for these females. And the males, a lot of times, are ground up alive because they're not the type for meat, and they won't lay eggs. So the females have a lifelong of living in a tiny cage, and it takes about 30 hours per egg. And the males are ground up after they're hatched because they're useless. So cooking eggless is healthier too. You don't have to worry about cholesterol, which can cause heart disease and clog up your arteries in your heart for not having a heart. So it's as simple as that. Here's the simple alternatives. As you can see, applesauce replaces an egg. And if you want eggs, there's egg replacers, or you can try scrambled tofu. Just scramble up tofu and it tastes just like an egg. So there you have it. Simple replacements for eggs, bananas or applesauce.